What principles most web designers miss, and it takes years to master them. These web design basics are so timeless, and they worked 20 years ago and will still work 20 years from now. So what are they? In 5 minutes, I'll show you what great web design is built on. One thing you should know is that new design trends appear every year, but human perception stays the same. While design technologies and tools continue to progress, human perception of content stays fundamentally the same. That's why we can discuss web design basics, because nothing has really changed. Only the variety of design tools and the range of colors, forms, shades, and elements available have expanded. The core principles that never change. I'm Alex Carter, a UX UI and web design expert with Web Design Lab. I use the Nicepage website builder for my work. Basic number 1. Structure is the key. When the user comes to a website, the first thing they look at is the structure. In fact, it takes just 3 seconds for people to decide whether they want to stay and continue with a website or leave. So you have only 3 seconds to capture their attention. It can be done through a good structure only. Basic number 2, pay attention to the hero block. I always pay attention to the hero block. In my experience, it is the only chance to hook users and keep them scrolling. I've noticed this many times. For example, take a look at these websites. The hero block is not a warehouse. Place a clear offer for your product or service here, remove all the clutter around the button, and add in a live trust element. Facts, numbers, or small proofs, partner logos, ratings, or the number of completed projects. Also, notice that it's not just the text and CTA that matter in the hero block. The colors, image sizes, and structure also determine whether visitors notice the most important elements in those first few seconds. By the way, if this tip saved you time, please give this video a like. It'll help me see if such topics are right for you. Now let's move on to hierarchy, another core principle of composition. Gary Simon from Design Course says, if everything stands out, nothing stands out. Professional UI/UX hierarchy relies on a clear focal point, balanced visual weight, and sufficient white space to make a web layout functional rather than confusing. Basically, we do the same thing on a website. We highlight the value proposition, letting it come to the fore, while secondary elements like the logo stay in the background and support the overall flow. Let's break down how hierarchy guides a visitor's attention. Hierarchy is built through size, contrast, and element placement. That's why headlines, body copy, and CTAs need a strong presence. A headline should be prominent, while body copy provides details, and a call to action guides users toward the next step. What matters is the difference in size, not the exact size. To make hierarchy work, I use spacing. It clearly separates what's primary from what's secondary. Color. Bold accents for the most important elements, muted tones for secondary. Large photographs, to grab attention, and icons for clarity. Basic number 4. Pay attention to the text. Some designers believe that visuals are the most important part of the page, that only visuals can attract the user. It is totally wrong. Most people come to a website for content, and content, in most cases, is presented by text. So, your task as a web designer is to wisely choose the text style for the whole page and for its separate sections. The key is to make the text readable, so don't be scared to experiment with font weights, styles, and sizes. You can be picky about the font styles. Don't try to put bold headings everywhere, only where it's necessary. Basic number 5. Learn to work with colors. Of course, colors reflect emotions, or in other words, they manipulate emotions, and some colors can be related to specific values. For example, we naturally associate red with danger or urgency. We see lots of examples when designers choose light gray content on a gray background or visuals and text that do not contrast. Working with contrast, with different color shades, is one of the ways to make your website pages readable and easy to work with. Basic number 6. Always keep performance in mind. One more truth is that most performance issues occur not because of complicated functionality, but because of poor design. Poorly optimized images, unnecessary animations, and massive background videos, all these things affect the page's performance. The solution is simple. First, optimize your images and think twice before adding this background video to the page. Second, be very picky about using small animations. Just because you can animate every button, icon, and section doesn't mean you should. It's all about a rational approach and the right balance. One more principle, probably the most crucial of all, is that a professional web designer has the right tools and uses proven techniques. And this knowledge comes only with experience. Keep doing what you do, learn new things, and find the best web design ways that allow you to express your creativity and improve your skills. Like and subscribe to get more videos about web design.